South Africa, officially the Republic of South Africa, is the southernmost country in Africa. Its main provinces are funded the south by 2,796 kilometers or 1,739 miles of coastline. The stretches along the South Atlantic and Indian Ocean. To the north by the neighboring countries of Namibia, Botswana, and Zimbabwe. To the east and northern by Mozambique and Eswatini and its embracing the places covering an area of 1,221,067 square kilometers for 100,071,445 square miles. The country has a population of over 52 million people. Pretoria is the administrative capital when Cape Town as the seat of Parliament is the legislative capital, and Bloemfontein is regarded as the judicial capital. The largest most population city is
Ini adalah Cape Town, salah satu kota paling di Afrika menurut Cape Town itu adalah bagian dari Afrika Selatan. Kota ini adalah kota
Durban
yang berdampingan. Jadi kota ini lumayan dingin dan view-nya juga cakep banget. Perkotaan juga tertata rapi, ada transportasi.
Arkeologi finding to get the Paris
menurutku adalah pantai Bloemberg Strand. Pantai ini kalian bisa lihat pemandangan
in South Africa about
dan kalau kalian naik
2.5 million years ago, and modern women inhabited the region over 100,000 years ago. The first known people were the indigenous Khoisan and Bantu-speaking people from West and Central Africa. Largest migrated to the region 2,000 to 1,000 years ago. In the north, the kingdom of Mapungubwe, in the
For lunch we had the
13 country in
sauce, cheese, baby potatoes and sweet potato. It has a very rustic vibe, and of course we had to get some pictures at the hay.
1652, that established the first European settlement at Table Bay, and in 1794 and 1806 the British occupied the Mopazana, a period of significant upheaval led the formation of various African kingdoms, include the Zulu kingdom. The region was first colonized, and diamonds and gold were discovered during a shift toward industrialization and urbanization. Following the Second World War, the Union of South Africa was started in 1910 of the former capital Transvaal and Orange River colonies, becoming a republic in 1961 though a system of multi-racial finance has existed in the South. It was gradually eroded and the vast majority of black South Africans were not enfranchised until 1994. The National Party impossible apartheid in 1948 institutionalizing progressive racial segregation after a largest non-violent struggle by the African National Congress, and after until apartheid activities cut inside and outside the country. The repeal of discrimination laws began in the May 1960s. Universal electronic stock split in 1994, following which all racial groups of all political representation in the country's liberal democracy, which comprised a parliamentary republic and 9 provinces. South African culture and comprises a variety of cultures, language, and religion. The country is often called the Rainbow Nation. The district is multiracial, multicultural, diversity, especially in the wake of apartheid. It's only set as a middle power in international affairs. South African maintains significant regional influence and is a member with the African Union, the Commonwealth of Nations, and the G20, a developing industrial country. It was the largest economy in Africa by nominal GDP. It stood with Ethiopia for the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Africa, and is biodiversity spot with unique biomes, plant and animal life. Since the end of apartheid, government accountability and quality of life have substantially improved for non-white citizens. However, extreme violence, poverty, and inequality remain widespread, with about 32% of the population unemployed as of 2024, with some 56% live below the poverty line, having the biggest difference of 0.63. South Africa is considered one of the most economically unequal countries in the world. Main activity economy of ASEAN are South African. The Johannesburg Stock Exchange is the largest stock exchange on the African continent and the 17th largest in the world, with a market capitalization of 1.36 trillion US dollar. South Africa has a mixed economy. Its economy is Africa's largest, most technological advanced and industrialized. It also has a relatively gross domestic product (GDP) per capita compared to other countries in sub-Saharan Africa. $16,060 at purchasing power parity as of 2023 ranked 95. Our South African is still burdened by a relatively rate of poverty and unemployment and is ranked in the top 10 countries in the world for income inequality. Measured by the Gini coefficient, South Africa is ranked 40th by total wealth, making the southwest country in Africa in terms of private wealth. South Africa has a private wealth of $651 billion US dollar, making South African population the richest in Africa, is followed by EGB with US dollar 307 billion and Nigeria with US dollar 228 billion. Approximately 30.3 million people of the population is living in poverty at the national poverty line, with a total of 13.8 million people. 25% of the population are experiencing food poverty. In 2015, 71% of the world are held by 10% of the population, whereas 16% of the population are only 7% of the net worth, and the Gini coefficient was 0.63, whereas in 1996 it was 0.61. Unlike most of the world poor countries, South Africa does not have a thriving informal economy. Only 5% of South African jobs are in the information sector, compared with around 12 in Brazil and India and other others in Indonesia.
From its Mediterranean-inspired decor to its warm, elegant atmosphere, this restaurant caters for every vibe: romantic date nights, business lunches, or casual samdanas on its days.
Attributed
Yes, we
this
welcome the
different to South African
I think it's a great development. This is what we
spread
always call
welfare system.
there should be a cessation of hostility.
World Bank research.
The assistance
So the
of
South
Gaza should
Africa as one, the
and that the
greatest
hostilities
gap,
is precisely
but one per capita GDP versus its human development index ranking, with only Botswana showing a largest gap. Johannesburg, the financial capital of South Africa and the African continent, after 1994 government politics brought down inflation, stability, public finances, and sound foreign capital, which attracted Weber growth was still below expansion from 2004 onward. Economic growth picked up significantly, but employment and capital formation increased. During the presidency of Jacob Zuma, the government increased the role of state-owned enterprises. Some of the biggest choices are Eskom, the electric power monopoly, South African Airways SAA, and Transnet, the railroad and power monopoly. Some of the shares have not been profitable, such as SAA, which has reached below the time at 13 billion or 2.3 billion US dollars over the 20-year trailing 2015 principal international trading partner of South
The most
African
powerful
and
production V8
other
from BMW.
African countries include Germany, the United States, China, Japan, the United Kingdom, and Spain. The 2020 Financial Security Index ranked South Africa as the 58th in the world. The South African agricultural industry contributes around 10% of the employment,
Car spotting on campus, part 9.
compared to other parts of Africa. Skill are providing work for peaceful laborers and contribute around 2.6% of GDP for the nation. With the aridity of the land, only 13.5% can be used for crop production and only 3% is considered its potential land. In ago 2013, South Africa was ranked as the top African country of the future by FDI Intelligence based on the country's economic potential, labor environment, cost effectiveness, infrastructure, business friendly, and facilitated investment in target mining, article mining in South Africa, and a review of the two research mines in Telford, Limpopo, owned by both African Rainbow Mineral and Impala Platinum Holding Limited. Mining has been a major component of South African economy throughout its history. Until 2005, South African had been the world's largest gold product for almost a country. By the end of 2009, gold mining in South Africa has declined rapidly, having produced 205 metric tons empty of gold in 2008 compared to 1,000 metric tons product in 1970. Almost 8% of the world main supplies at the time. That's positive. The country still has 6,000 tons of the gold resources and is still number 5 in gold production, with remaining a supplier of a wide range of important mineral resources. South Africa is on the world deepest gold mine, according Goldman, rising nearly 4,000 metric. In 2015, South African gold production was 145 metric tons. It is the world's largest product of chrome, manganese, platinum, vanadium, and vermiculite. It is the second largest production of ilmenite, palladium, beryllium, and zirconium. It is the world's third largest gold exported. It is a major product of Iran ore. In 2012, in over South India become the world's third biggest iron ore supply to China, the world's largest consumer of iron ore. Now, tourism. South Africa is a major global tourism destination, with the tourism industry accounting for 3.3%. The country's GDP as of May 2025, according to South African Statistics SE. In 2024, South Africa experienced a growth in tourism number, with combined passenger arrival though its current port of entry increased to 8.92 million people, according to the World Travel and Tourism Council, where they say the tourism industry contributed at 102 billion to South African GDP in 2012. In short, 10.3% of the country's employment, 1.6 million people were employed in South African tourism sector in early 2020, and the number is expected to grow significantly over the coming few years. South Africa offers world dominated and international tourism of option, among other the pictures, natural landscape, and game reserves, diverse culture, architect, and nuclear units. Some of the most popular destinations include several national parks, such as the expansive Kruger National Park in the north of the country, the Trans and badges of the KwaZulu-Natal and Western Suburbs province, and the major cities of Cape Town, Durban, and Johannesburg. The top 5 of the country with the largest number of tourism in South Africa in 2017, where the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, Netherlands, and France most the tourism arena in South Africa from West Africa come from South African Development Council (SADC) countries. Index of tourism from SADC countries: Zimbabwe top 31%, followed by Mozambique Wadi and Botswana. In addition, Nigeria was the country of origin for nearly 30% of tourism origin in South Africa. The name South Africa is derived from the country geographic location at the southern tip of Africa. Upon the formation of the country was named the Union of South Africa, English and unified Africa in the replacing its origin from the unification of British colonies in the 1961 the long formal name in English as the Republic of South Africa and the Republic of South Africa in African countries as an official name in 12 official lingua. Zanzi from the China main Southeast bilingual name for South Africa. Some political representation Tanzania. Government and government of South Africa, political of South Africa, law of South Africa. He also break South Africa and human rights in South Africa. Kemudian in Pretoria, seat of the executive of the parliament in Cape Town of the legislature. Constitutional court Africa is a parliamentary republic but the president was head of state and government but the confidence of parliament. The executive, legislative and judiciary are subject the supremacy of the country of South Africa and the superior crown the power to take down executive action and to parliament if they are unconstitutional. The Nation Assembly lower house of parliament consists of 400 members and is executive by some party list proportional the National Council of Province the upper house of neighbor with the non-provincial legislature electing the member. After parliamentary electing the National Assembly, electing one of its members president as the president serves a term of the same as of the assembly. Normally 12 years. No president serves more than 2 terms in office. The president appoints deputy president and minister. There development from the cabinet. The National Assembly may revoke the president and the cabinet by a motion of no confidence upon the most recent election held on 29 May 2024. Major from the president to the end of the vote and 100 Democratic opinion people of the vote and 87% room we party founded by former president and ANC leader Zuma won 14.6% of the vote and the economic freedom funded by Juliana Malema, former president of the The Gua was from the ANC won 9.5% of the vote and 39 after the election. The ANC government of nation unity with several similar parties.